I just wanted to add one thing we're doing at DataStax this year is we've actually declared a number of refresh days for the entire company. So one of the things that, is nice about taking synchronized time off is that you don't have a catch up, right, afterwards. And so we've got every quarter, we've got like a extra long weekend, right, like a 4-day weekend. And then 2 times in the year, once in the summer and once around the holiday season, we have like an entire week that the whole company is not working, right? So that, we tried limited experiment last year and that worked very well. So we're doing that a little bit more. And that way, everybody is kind of off at the same time. There's no, question of anybody sending emails and things like that.
I'm not sure what your criteria, but when I said it works very well, I think like a lot of successful organizations are seeing benefits from that. When I think sometimes it's still framed as like as a sacrifice or something generous we're doing for them, but it's a win-win. I've never met any of my devs that have worked better because they're stressed or burned out.
Absolutely.
Like this is helping us. It's helping you.
Yeah.
It's not something that we're giving you. It's we're investing in you as you can perform for us.
Absolutely.
So I think we're going to start seeing that more and more as it's a very difficult climate outside of the work right now, as well as inside work. So I think as we keep finding these opportunities to let people take care of themselves, and the increase in performance and just culture that comes from that, I think we're going to see a lot more organizations doing that more and more.